Hi, I'm Brandon Lombardo with ShopSabre CNC. In today's video, we're highlighting how having a CNC plasma machine in your shop can quickly solve unexpected problems when they arise. In this case, my buddy brought his new race car to my shop and asked me to help him set it up. When we got under the car, we found excessive natural play in the spring pocket where the weight jack bolt sits, which was causing some spring bind. Instead of ordering new parts, waiting days, and spending hundreds of dollars, I grabbed a few simple measurements and designed a simple washer to weld into that spring cup to help stabilize the weight jack. It was a quick, clean fix that saved us both time and money. Now before we cut, let's talk about the equipment behind the solution. This job was done on our ShopSabre SideKick series CNC plasma. This is one of our most popular plasma machines. That said, this kind of project could also be done on our other ShopSabre models like the FiberSabre or our ShopMaster Pro series. To see all of your options, be sure to head over to ShopSabre.com. The SideKick series is built on a rugged tube steel frame, engineered, built, and assembled right here in the USA. The rigid structure gives it strength and stability that is needed to handle heavier jobs with confidence and repeatability. Thanks to the in-house engineering, the SideKick series features an advanced rack and pinion motion system, offering faster cutting speeds, greater machine stability, and extended machine life. This matters especially when cutting thin materials, where fast motion and tight tolerances make a difference. You get better hole quality, less cleanup, and consistent results day after day. This model also features automatic torch-height control with ohmic touch, a must-have for plasma cutting. It automatically adjusts for any variation in material surface height, ensuring optimal cutting distance for cleaner cuts and longer consumable life. The results? Better finish, less rework, and lower operating costs. If you want a deeper look at the technology, check out our ShopSabre Minute video series where we break it all down. For today's cut, I used Hypertherm's ProNest LT, which comes bundled with the ShopSabre CNC plasma machine. But if you prefer other design softwares like SheetCam, Fusion 360, or Enroute, you're covered. We're compatible with nearly every popular package out there, and if you're unsure, just give us a call. We're happy to help you confirm the compatibility. We're going to be cutting from 10-gauge mild steel today, strong enough for a racing application, but light enough for fast handling. And with the precision of the SideKick, the parts are going to come off the table nearly finish ready with very little post-processing. So let's get started and watch how simple problem solving becomes with the right tools. As you just saw, the machine made quick work of it. It cut the center hole, then the outer ring, clean, consistent, and accurate. I even used nesting to cut a few extras just in case. And who knows, if I had a need for this part, others probably do too. It's a quick product I could now offer that only took minutes of my time and low investment. Cycle time was fast, and better yet, I avoided hours of manual work or days of waiting on someone else's parts. Whether you're a one-man fab shop or a large production facility, a ShopSabre CNC plasma will save you time, reduce your labor, and boost your bottom line. Solving real-world problems is fast and game-changing. And a CNC automation gives you that power. Whether you're making custom brackets, mass-producing gussets, or solving your own racing problems just like I did here, ShopSabre gives you that edge. This is CNC automation at its best. A ShopSabre plasma is American-built, high-performance, and designed to elevate your work. Thanks for watching this ShopSabre video. I'm Brandon Lombardo, and we'll see you in the next one.